The Hoover Dam, a colossal concrete structure, stands as a testament to human engineering on the Colorado River. Construction began in 1931 during the Great Depression, providing much-needed jobs. This dam will not only control floods but also provide irrigation and hydroelectric power. Engineer 1 exclaimed, enthusiastic. The dam created Lake Mead, one of the largest reservoirs in the United States. Hoover Dam's hydroelectric power plant generates electricity for millions of people in Nevada, Arizona, and California. It's amazing how much water this dam holds back, one tourist said, amazed. And the power it generates is incredible, another tourist added, impressed. The Hoover Dam continues to be a symbol of American ingenuity and a vital resource for the Southwest.